dead body again this morning, but the guardian different her.
Different part.
Yes.
Oh.
So no one get murdered for this morning.
Okay.
For the
Nice kalau orang main ML nice try.
nice try. And now, time for all of you to choose who is the werewolf. Even though there are no one
Oh, berarti
who got murdered, right?
enggak discussing.
No, even though there is no one to get murdered, you have to discuss who is the werewolf. Oh, wait.
Ini lagi.
Wait. And now,
Oh, iya masih. Canda.
and now is the time for all of you to discuss.
Dan discuss lagi.
Yeah.
Saya nggak jadi murder.
No, if you
Okay, maybe
if you got suspicious to someone who got
let's see.
kecewa. Apa? I forget. Kecewa. Yeah, disappointed by the guardian. Maybe you can feel who the one who get disappointed.
You say Bernard? Who say?
Nora.
Why did you say Bernard?
Just because I moved it doesn't mean I'm wrong.
Okay, good. Good.
Okay, any statement?
Kayaknya beruntung ya baru yang tadi orang yang duluan.
I think he is saying Bernard.
Oh, okay, the silent one. Orang. Okay.
Because she looked
He.
play wolf team.
Oh, play victim. Oh.
Playing victim. Right.
Wolf team. Playing wolf team. Wolf team. Kerjasama.
Teamwork.
Oh, teamwork. Teamwork. Okay, with whom?
Bernard. And say that.
Oh,
Oh,
there are two werewolf. Maybe they.
Okay, makes sense. Oh, but I that you want to.
Your reason is nonsense.
Okay.
I'm
Because.
not working with Ferhan, and what is your evidence that shows I'm working with Ferhan?
Nah, what is your
Ako bininya. Kalau dia kerja sama Farhan.
Tahun Nabila.
Oh,
Okay.
She-
So,
Let's say it in English.
they are defend
She defend.
each other.
defense.
Okay.
When did I get Ferhan?
When you say
Before.
why you search for so Nora,
Oh, mas baru.
oh,
Kenapa?
when you ask Nora why is
But how can that shows that I'm working with Ferhan? I'm just asking because she said Ferhan, and I wanted to know why did she say Ferhan.
No, you look like wolf team.
Okay, from this side, do you have any statement for Saida or Ferhan or
Tanda-tanda lagi
someone else?
Tanda-tanda lagi.
Ferhan, you have any?
Okay, now time's up. Time's up.
Seriously, you'll regret if you choose me.
Time's up. Time's up.
Time's up. Okay. The discussing time is over, and now it is time for us to vote. Who is the werewolf?
Sudah ada pandangan ya?
Yeah. Start from Nora.
Sudah ada pandangan ya?
Ferhan,
Oke, Ferhan.
Alida, Ferhan, Saida.
Then I'll choose.
Right? Ferhan.
Oke.
I'll choose
Saida.
Ferhan.
Ferhan. Ferhan 3.
What? Oke, sorry.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Ferhan. As 5.
Ferhan juga.
Yeah. Aura.
Tanda-tanda yang parah.
Ferhan. Ferhan. Madia. Naura. Nice. As 5. Okay, the one who gets the highest else voice Farhan. And now Farhan, go to the next stage. And say it loud. What is your role?
I'm a villager.
Oh. You can guess the werewolf by who the one that say Farhan is the werewolf from the voting, the last voting.
I think it's
No, for not you, for all of here.
Kamu sudah mati, Pak.
Oh, ini maksud saya, kalian bisa tahu dari voting-voting sebelumnya who is the werewolf.
Atau mungkin Farhan bisa bicara, cuma kita nggak dengar gitu ya.
Ya.
Ada apa? Saya
Okay. This time to sleep. Sleep and yeah. Sleep. Close your eyes. And now, Guardian. Put your head up. Okay. Choose someone to defend. Okay. And now, werewolf turns. Werewolf. Okay, choose someone to kill. Werewolf. Okay, werewolf have chosen someone. And now it is time to wake up. Go make some
Apa jarak kerja?
Okay. Unfortunately, I found again a dead body, and the dead body is not being defended by the guardian.
Sawah, sawah.
And the dead body is Aura. Aura, go to the backstage and say.
Tunggu. Keluar dulu. Keluar dulu ya,
Keluar. Go to the backstage, and what is your role?
I'm a murderer.
Oh, the werewolf is smarter than you.
Guardian.
Pintar lagi.
Gak ada nih yang selamatkan kalian.
Okay, there are no one who can defend you. Okay, and now it is time for all of you to discuss who is the werewolf, and time is yours. Discuss.
Okay.
Okay, discuss. Okay, Nasya, Arina, your statement.
Statement
Maria,
Ini nggak membatalkan puasa kok.
look at your friends. Look at your friends. Look at your friends.
Insya Allah nggak membatalkan.
Yes, I'm pretty sure that the werewolf is Nora. Because I got a few reasons. First is, as we can see,
Previously.
the victim is Reva and Marsha, and I think the werewolf must be like closer
Wow.
to them, even though it's not necessary. The second is, I heard that Kak David, if I'm not mistaken, when he was saying, when he was talking to the werewolf, it's like he is saying to
Quiet here. Okay.
that side.
Okay. Okay, that makes sense.
And the last reason is, I personally think that the werewolf, someone like they're not really want to find the werewolf is, so they're looks quite they're not really attempt to
Too
find
much to talk to.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. She doesn't
Nice statement.
active more to find out the werewolf.
Yeah, we just follow their. Okay,
Saya
Laura.
ikut main ya. Ini seru yang ikut main.
I was the werewolf, but I can choose them because they're my friends.
Oh, yeah, nice defense.
How about Aswai? You want to say something? Nasir? You want to say something.
You got someone
Nasya tadi diam-diam loh.
suspicious.
Kalian sedikit Nasya loh. Ah. Ayo.
Ya, Alina juga diam dari tadi loh. Why?
Here.
Hmm?
I was so anxious.
You can choose. Because with what? Why? Just choose one of them that you suspect.
The suspicious one.
Yang saya tuh yang nggak mau choose dan diam-diam
Friend,
choose.
friend of this again.
Okay, random
Random
choose.
choose.
Okay, random choose. Random choosing.
Random choice.
Random choice.
Who?
Him.
No, nothing else.
That's five. Okay.
I don't know.
Is
Do
that
you
okay?
think S5 is the
I don't know why. Always.
Because I'm a boy.
You carry sus for choose for others.
Oh,
Others, okay.
your appearance is suspicious.
Sabar ya. Saya.
Okay, time is up.
Okay, time's up.
Okay, now it is the time to vote who is the werewolf. Start from S5. Oh, jangan kalah di leadernya. Okay, S5.
Siapa?
Choose.
Kosinyo.
Go. Alila. Alila. Okay, Nasya. Choose. S5. Okay. Fadia. Naura. Saida. Saida, choose someone.
No cheating. Not cheating.
I just look there.
I can tell you want. I can tell you what I want.
Okay, Saida.
One, two, three.
That's five.
Five. Alila. Naura.
Alright.
Slide.
Okay. Next lagi adalah
And I can say that the verb is pretty clever again. Okay, because the slide got the highest
it's not me.
point
give you up.
again,
It's
and
your friends give you up.
you look so suspicious for them, and go to backstage.
Okay, now just say a lot about your role.
Villager.
Okay, tonight is the last night for all of the villagers to choose. Okay,
It's time to sleep.
okay, it's time to sleep. It is the last time for werewolf to choose. Maybe werewolf can win.
No,
Again.
no guard, no guardian.
No guardian.
Now it's for the werewolf time to salute.
Okay, werewolf, choose someone. Werewolf, choose someone. Okay, werewolf has chosen someone, and because there is no guardian, it is the time to wake up.
Bisa.
Gak ada jeksa. Sa puasa orangnya. Hari Ahad ini libur.
The Vexel
Weekend.
on vacation. Okay. Again, I found a dead body, and the one who got murdered is Nasha. Nasha, go to the backstage.
It's Among Us.
Okay, it is for survivors. It is the last discussion for all of you to choose who is the werewolf.
Nasya dulu, tanya.
Okay, Nasha, what is your role?
Sorry, but I'm later.
Okay, this is the last discussion for the villager choose who is werewolf.
No debate, no discussion.
No, you can for the last time. If you choose the wrong person, the werewolf will win this time.
Okay.
Game. Okay,
1 menit. 1, 2, 3 langsung.
choose.
Oh, terus. Oke.
Discuss.
Oh, discuss. Oke, 1 menit.
Why? Why Fadia?
Why were you so excited to connect?
Oh yeah. Why?
Oke, Fadia, counter attack.
I think you can't accuse me because I was so excited to point you. Because I got so many evidence, like I got a reason to say that you are the werewolf.
She has 3
So
reasons.
one of your reasons is not really. One of the reasons not respecting at all.
Like, but the way you act is so suspicious. Can I say something?
Okay, just
Okay.
thank you for speaking up.
Honestly, I don't know between Nawar or Fadila. I can trust anyone. And
Okay.
but I can see that there's a different someone that acts different from the previous game.
Okay.
I don't know why, but Alina is suspicious to me because
Okay.
she keeps silent from now and
Now is two team is versus
Yeah.
Saida and Alila,
Versus.
Nawara and Fadia. Okay. Versus.
Okay, Alila, do you got any statement to defend yourself?
Your reason is not strong because
Previously, I see that
Previously.
I see
said
that
I said to you, I want to keep
Yeah.
silent. Tadi.
nah,
but okay, I know that Marisa has no enough strong base, but as I told you before that I can trust anyone
Okay.
who knows, right?
Okay. Who knows?
And this is just my guess, so I'm not sure either.
Here only me once and the victims know who are the werewolf.
so does anyone have statement before we vote? Okay, Alila,
I guess that the werewolf is Nora.
why?
Okay, Nawara again. Oh, time's up. Sorry.
Yeah, why? Because
Okay. Last statement.
he looks like she looks.
She looks like suspicious.
Oh, previously she is the werewolf.
She
and
was the
maybe
werewolf.
She gets
Previously,
twice,
she was the werewolf.
and maybe now she
Now
is
she
the
is
werewolf
the
again. Werewolf again.
Who knows? Okay, good. Okay, now
Werewolf menang.
okay. From Fadia dulu.
Oke, Fadia,
Voting.
Naura,
Oke, Nawara.
Saida, dua-dua. Pasti kalah nanti.
Oke. Oke.
Naura,
Nawara.
Alila,
Alila.
Alila,
Oke.
Naura, Saida,
Alila.
Alila.
Oke, now Alila and Nawara. Lagi antara dua orang.
Alila and Naura, choose.
We're on.
Yes.
Kamu choose. Hah?
Seharusnya menang.
Kamu menang nih ya.
It's supposed to
Ya.
be werewolf
It's
side.
okay. This way. What's more?
Alila,
Alila.
who do you want to choose? Do you want to choose yourself?
Oke. Oke, Nawara. Nawara, what's more? Nawara? Nawara?
Alila.
Alila.
Saida.
Oke, Saida.
Alila.
Okay.
Ya,
Fadia.
Fadia.
Yeah.
Oke.
Okay. Because the werewolf
Antara Alila dan Nawara mungkin
I thought that kan tadi game when
Udah menang ya?
two werewolves
It's okay, it's
left
okay.
and two
It's okay. We just want to listen to your statement again.
Oh.
Okay, so now Alila and Naura please. 3 times. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1
1 point for Naura.
Okay, 2. Okay, last round.
Okay, because the villager, the
Naura, sama na? Jadi apa? Alila.
Villager.
villager, adalah villager. Naura,
Maria.
saya
I'm a werewolf.
I don't.
I like your statement.
Oh iya, I'm here.
Bagaimana ini villager? 2 kali kalah.
Oh iya, gue kalah lagi.
Udah bisa kan kita teman.
Okay, mas. Okay, thank you for all of my beloved students or my beloved friends. Today we have done played a game that's called Werewolf. Maybe anybody wants to give me something statement or your opinion about what did you have? What have you been earned or learned in this meeting? Okay, Bernard. Trust no one. He gets trust issue. Okay, anybody else? Okay.
Life is full of plot twists.
Huh?
Life is full of genre.
Yeah.
Life is full of plot twists.
Always finish with plot twists.
Okay, good. And another else?
Naura, I like bingung.
Okay, I have to notice some of this one. Ini yang saya kotaki that I have been highlighted here is the statement atau ekspresi yang bisa digunakan bukan hanya di game Werewolf, not only in this game but in your life. Ya. Misalnya kalau presentasi, sir, I'm sorry for bothering your time. I'm sorry for interrupt. I guess that this one is blah 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 blah, or my opinion is blah 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 about this your opinion. Your opinion. Gak apa-apa. Kalau di dunia barat itu kalian mau memberikan opini itu sangat baik, sangat bagus, ya kan? Saling namanya brainstorming. Brain, otak, storming, petir. Petak kayak apa? Otak sama petir. No. Brainstorming itu adalah bertukar pikiran. Nah, kalian tahu nggak? Kalian pernah nggak baca buku? Sini ada nggak yang suka baca buku? Oke, pernah baca buku? Pernah nggak? Have you read the book that's entitled Bicara itu ada seninya? Bicara itu ada seninya. Written by Oh Soo Young, the lecturer and the best communicator in the South Korea. Kalian bisa cari di Gramedia, itu bagus sekali bukunya untuk melatih bagaimana kalian bisa bicara di depan umum, bagaimana cara kalian untuk menghargai orang yang sedang berbicara, bagaimana cara kalian untuk bisa berjual beli, bisa bisnis gitu, how to communicate in business. Di buku itu saya dapat 1 poin. 1, kalau ada orang bicara, biarkan dia selesai bicara dulu, biarkan dia selesaikan statementnya dulu, baru kita balas. Jangan pernah sekalipun Anda menyelah pembicaraan orang, itu nggak sopan. Okay? And it's not good attitude. Yang kedua, kalau kalian lakukan itu, automatically lawan bicara kalian akan defense herself. Dia akan defense, dia tidak akan terbuka lagi kayak I don't like him. Oke, jadi dia akan menutup pola pikirnya. Ini tidak terbuka seperti awalnya. Coba kalian dengarkan dulu sampai dia selesai statement, baru kalian berikan statement. Sama kayak tadi kalau ada guru kalian yang memberikan opini atau something, tunggu sampai selesai, baru interrupt. Kecuali kalau memang diperlukan sekali, baru interrupt. I'm sorry, sir, I bother your time or I'm interrupting. but really kind with myself, I want to ask you something about this one. It's okay. Nah, kemudian ada lagi satu di buku tersebut dijelaskan bahwa kenapa orang Yahudi or Jews itu dapat memimpin dunia. Salah satunya ada itu pelajaran mereka, yaitu kayak apa ya? Ada namanya kurvatala atau apa saya lupa. Intinya adalah brainstorming. Banyak orang Yahudi yang lolos kuliah di universitas di Amerika. Kebanyakan orang yang kuliah di Amerika itu orang Yahudi. Kenapa? Karena di budaya mereka ada budaya brainstorming, yaitu bertukar pikiran. Semakin banyak mereka bertukar pikiran, semakin luas wawasan mereka. Semakin banyak mereka bertukar pikiran, semakin aktif otak mereka dalam berkreasi, memberikan opini dan lain sebagainya. Oke, kemudian ini tadi kalian bisa notice, ini yang bisa kalian sebutkan. Dan apa lagi ya? Pelajaran yang bisa diambil hari ini. Mungkin Kak Mas ada sesuatu yang dapat dipelajari hari ini?
Tadi seharusnya lebih aktif lagi buat statement supaya game lebih seru. Bisa dari contoh statement-statementnya Saida, seperti dia memecah belah kalian.
Ada dia werewolfnya.
Ya, bagus caranya memecah belah. Dan harusnya villager juga bisa lebih aktif.
Oke. Tidak? Ya. Oke, dan yang terakhir tadi, Ustaz yang pertama, kalau misalnya kalian ditanya, how's your day? Pakai bahasa Indonesia, gimana kabarnya?
Alhamdulillah, Yesus.
Ya saya, alhamdulillah. Mungkin kalau di bahasa Inggris kalau ketemu native speaker nggak apa kayaknya Mas ya.
Sebenarnya
about
ya.
our identity.
Sebenarnya just social itu penggunanya informal. Dalam pertemuan formal tidak boleh dipakai.
Alhamdulillah boleh.
Alhamdulillah,
It's for our identity.
for formal session it's forbidden. Because
Forbidden.
dilarang membawa agama dalam pertemuan.
Oke. Ini baru buat saya. Tapi kalau misalnya untuk ketemu atau siapapun ya pakai alhamdulillah ya informal ya. Lebih bagus. Kita secara tidak langsung juga berzikir kan. Okay, I think that's all for our meeting today. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you for your activeness. And Farhan, thank you. Ashaif, thank you. You are really sangat jadi victim hari ini.
Naura, thank you.
Naura, thank you. Masya. Thank you, Masya. Keep in a good vibes.
Si paling terfitnah.
Okay. We are really sorry for our mistakes here, and maybe we can make this meeting again in the next meeting before holiday. Okay, inshallah. Okay. Have a good day, everyone. We are the Ajami students, State University of Makassar. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and have a nice day, everyone.